We're learning more about the artist shot and killed in St. Paul in broad daylight.
She was a giver. She took care of a lot of people, and I loved her.
Carrie Kwok is described by her sister as a strong-willed, independent grandmother who loved being around her grandchildren. Now memories are all that's left after Wednesday's shooting in front of her home. We're told she was painting a mural outside when she was gunned down. Police shot and killed the suspect a day later at his Belle Plaine home. Family identified him as 29-year-old Chantrell Murdoch. Court documents show a history of mental health challenges. Police Chief Axel Henry called the crime extremely random.
We had a homicide that literally shook our entire community. In almost 30 years of police work, this is probably one of the most atypical homicides that I've seen.
Facebook post, the Lowertown Lofts Artist Cooperative said Carrie Kwok was a member of the collective. She was working on many art pieces to showcase at the St. Paul Art Crawl happening next week. We've learned it will be dedicated to her, a celebration for all she's done as an artist. Court documents reveal more about the accused shooter. They say Chantrell Murdoch's mother took him to the emergency room last January because he had access to a firearm and was fearful for her son's safety. Murdoch apparently told the staff he has, quote, visual and auditory hallucinations and paranoia. In another document, prosecutors argued he should be held at a mental health hospital because he, quote, posed a substantial likelihood of physical harm to self or others. Instead of committing him, a judge suggested Murdoch be allowed to go home if he followed several conditions, like keeping his appointments, not using mood-alerting chemicals, including alcohol, and taking all his medications. If he were committed to a hospital, he would not be allowed legally to have a gun any longer. But police say he did have a gun when they shot and killed him yesterday morning.
Has all kinds of hallmarks and flags that I think are going to come out in the coming days that we as a state and as a country need to start taking more seriously.
Murdoch's family says he leaves behind 4 children.